I'm scared, you guys. I don't think y'all didn't see what's on the other side of this. Let me show y'all boys on the other side of this. So that way y'all know. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Hold up, and let that stick talk like two-step. All right, you guys, Storm just got here. We're about to like flood ourselves into her car. Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah. What's up? How you doing? Yeah. Whew, you know what I'm saying? Huh?
so I was cooking to get over here.
Oh yeah, I know you were. Cause you felt like you let Taxi down.
Yes, I
So I know you did. I know you were cooking.
You know what did it to me? I ate a bowl of cereal at like 4 o'clock in the morning. So
Bro, you were texting me at 4 o'clock in the morning. I was like, what the hell is wrong with this girl? I'm like, why is she? I texted you. I said, why are you awake right now, bro? I said, oh my God. That's when I knew. That was when I knew. I said, yeah, she's texting me right now. She's not. I was like, I was treating like a client. I was like, bro, I know how my clients are. My clients text me this late. They're gonna be late the next morning. Talking about a bit driving. How's it driving in New York?
Oh my God, I want to cry. This is not for the weak. Like, it's really not for the weak. You have to be like some NASCAR level expert to be driving out here.
Which is the reason that she has Waze, guys. The reason that she has the Waze app, because she is one of those. She's one of them. Yeah.
One of them ones. You know what I'm saying? One of them ones.
Yeah.
You really do need to have some level of expert driving out here.
I know, but like, okay, so like, obviously you got your license out here. So
Right.
is it like, was it like a? I can't even like you don't have anything to compare it to. Cause that's like, was it a harder process to get your license here? Do you think? But you probably don't even know what it was like to get your license anywhere else. So what was the process you went through? And I'll tell you it was harder.
My process, well, I had gotten my junior license between 16 and 17, so I can get on the road a little bit more freelance, but that's not giving you full permission to drive.
Yeah, exactly.
So you had to take your little road test or whatever. It was kind of smooth sailing.
How was the road test though? Like what kind of like feats did they put you through?
Parallel park?
Yeah, parallel parking. Yeah, parallel parking was the biggest thing. Yeah.
Parallel park. Crazy part about it, I don't even think parallel parking was in my driving test.
Yeah, I feel like out there.
Yeah, literally, we didn't even have to do that. But you guys, like, it's mandatory.
It's mandatory.
So that's what I'm trying to figure out. What are those like little different little things that like are mandatory that you gotta like learn? Cause like, I'm trying to see like what's the differences.
K turns, like a U-turn.
K-turn. That's 3. Is that 3?
Yes, 3.
So we call it 3-point turn.
3-point turn. Yeah, it's technically a 3-point turn.
They call it be a K-turn because you make a K. Yeah. Bro, tell me why the taxis are so expensive. Bro, they said $60 to go to Bronx. Or 80, I meant.
$80 to go to the Bronx is kind of crazy.
I said 80 to go to the Bronx is kind of crazy. I said 80? Then I looked on Uber and I was like, Uber's not even 80.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah. I was just looking. I wasn't asking them. I was just like overhearing them talk to someone else.
Oh.
And I was like, that much is insanity, bro.
But they charge differently. They charge like by the minute or like by
the meter,
hour.
so they press it. And the crazy part about it is if they take longer on they will take their time. They will take their time and run up the meter. Like, bro, what?
It's
but
like
then it's kind of bad though, because it kind of forces you to like get rushed. I'm gonna rush your ass, bro. I'm like, hey, bro, what are you doing? Catch that light. What? Because yeah, you running up my cheese.
Run that. Like you
what?
Don't see that? You can go in that lane. Come on.
Literally, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like they're doing that shit on purpose. Like, same way how I got finessed last time by the Uber.
Right.
Literally, they're doing that shit now too.
Yeah, no, you learn your lesson never again.
Bruh fucked me up. Extra $20 is crazy.
Actually, it was 20.
Bro, when I got back home, I hadn't paid it yet, and I went and looked at it, and I was like, bro, like it was like waiting for me to like pay it before I got another Uber. And I was like, yeah, nah, insanity.
That is terrible. I wouldn't.
But yeah, you guys are about to go ahead and vibe out, ride. I'm gonna show you guys some scenery and different shit like that. We'll get back at you guys, and yeah.
That shit's so funny.
I literally didn't I tell you that? I told you that. I said that. I said, bro, like, bro, everybody's like it's their favorite part. So I'm like, shit. That I gotta keep doing it.
It's
man.
unique.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Flushing. I love flushing.
You know what I'm saying, man? I watched my video like 5 times, so I know what to do better. So like now, like when we start executing and shit, a lot to do better, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I've been cooking up, I need a bigger pot.
Yeah, see it, nigga in my body, I can't even walk. Niggas in my body, I might crip walk. Hold up, and let that stick talk like two-step.
Fucking bitches, so don't bring your boo here. She said if I want it, I can get it. Ooh yeah. To stay.
What do you think about this guy? Like, I don't know who he is type shit, but like, what do you think about him?
He's fire. I need that ad right now.
You need the ad?
I need the ad right now.
That's insane. Like, I don't know who's that?
Bro, like these niggas out here waiting for work, bro. This shit is on that. This is that.
His ADHD is kicking in. His ADHD is kicking in. Guys, if you don't know, it's Draco. It was Draco.
Bro, what?
It was Draco. he's like, this is some unreleased shit. He's disgusting. I love him though. Like guys, Draco is insane. That is not my problem. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's insane. Okay, dokie, soki. I ain't gonna lie, your shoes, I'm not, like kind of cool on some shit.
Are you fucking with him?
I'm like low key.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to hit one of these thrift spots now. I'm trying to.
I already told him. The tearaways? Tearaway, look, calm 1-2. All right, I by default took the left side. I don't know why this right side keeps closing, but. What it do, familia? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we are back at it again with another one. Today we are here with Storm. Guys, we are in Long Island, okay, you guys? I don't know if you guys know where that's at because I don't even know where that's at, but we're in Long Island today. We're gonna be taking some photos of Storm up here. We're on a parking garage. Let me show you guys the scenery, okay? Look at this. It's just to show you that it's real and it's true. We're in Long Island. I don't know what mall we're at, but apparently it's very famous. We're gonna go ahead and take a few photos, play around with it. I'm gonna be shooting in manual mode, you guys, with the raw cam. I don't have anything else going on, no ND filters, no flashes, no nothing. I'm gonna show you guys how you can get out here and create in harsh light without ND filters or anything else, okay? Let's do it. So you guys, as far as my settings go, I'm gonna be at F8, right? I'm at F8 looking at her. She looks pretty good with this F8 because the skin tones are gonna look really good in F8, okay? I'm gonna be at shutter speed 1/250, so that way if she has a little bit of swing or a motion blur, I can catch that braid, okay, you guys? And then I'm gonna have my ISO between 80 and 125 possibly, maybe even 200 a little bit if I need to get that extra exposure. And I'm gonna be shooting in RAW plus JPEG, you guys, okay? So the JPEG images will be for my client to see, Storm, LOL, my model. And then the raw images are gonna be for me to edit from, okay? So I'm gonna be very calculated with my shots. I'm gonna try my hardest not to just pew, 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 shoot them off. I'm gonna be very calculated in making the shot rather than just taking the shot. So let's get you guys a different new angle and let's do it. All right, bet you guys, we're gonna go ahead and try it out. We have the PNG camera strap from PNG Culture. Sent this out, drop test. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and have some fun with it. I'm at shutter speed 250, F8, ISO 80, all right, let's do it. Right here, just like so. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared, you guys. I don't think y'all didn't see what's on the other side of this. Let me show y'all boys on the other side of this. So that way y'all know. Yeah. I don't even think there's like a way for y'all to like see this. Hold on, I'm gonna set this up. I got y'all.
It's crazy. That was like my exact vision coming to life. Exactly why I wanted to come here.
What?
What you just did. The cars.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotta get the shot. I don't get the shot. The shit wasn't even meant to be. All right, you guys, there we go. We got the shot set up. We're gonna be getting a little bit of shots. So we're set up right now on the shot. Guys, I got my, I'm literally like, I'm gonna take a picture of this shit so y'all can see it. I'm risking my life for this shot. I'm showing y'all my life is my camera and I'm risking my life for this shot. So yeah, like this video, please, because we are going to the extents that no one else will go to for the shit that we do. Alrighty, yeah. All right, let's see. Let me see. I'm gonna go through my viewfinder. I'm gonna view my viewfinder, you guys. Let me see. Yes. Oh, yes. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. I got the settings right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and look back out through my display menu, get that top angle so I can get that. I'm getting that top angle so I can get that background in there, which is the road and streets. Yes, 3, 2, and 1. Kind of turn to the side a little bit more. Put this leg up here. Turn that way. So angle your body. Yep, like that. Yep, just like that. And then like kind of like arch back a little bit. Yep, there we go. Just like so. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Hard. Hold. Yes. So as you guys can see, it's a whole lot going on. Whole lot of extra stuff. You guys can see that we're on both sides of here. We're very nervous. We're very yeah, it's a lot going on. It's a lot going on. Hey, let me see. Y'all see this? Type shit. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. I'm going up my ISO now, you guys, because the ISO had to go up. And yeah. There we go. Yes. Yes. One more. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Yeah! Yeah! That was just some regular people stuff. I'm thinking about those wires over there. There's a lot going on. We're gonna go ahead and shift you guys to the next little spot. So now it's a bit of an overcast. I'm gonna go ahead and change my lighting over to here because I used the hand method and it looks pretty good. So we're gonna change the lighting over to here and try out over here. As you can see, boom. And I'm gonna be using these little like lines, leading lines. The lines on the actual gate is a leading line. These lines on the floor are a leading line. Having her sitting right here in this middle post right here creates a frame for us because all these lines leading to her. We have these 2 lines going to her. These lines over here leading to her. These lines over here leading to her. And even the skyline is kind of coming in and everything behind her as well. So I'm gonna take a few shots, show you guys how those looks. Let's do it. Ready? Hold it. There we go. Using my LCD screen, you guys. I'm on 250 ISO, still at f8. Nice skin tones with yes. There we go. Hold it. There we go. Yes. Looking up and off a little bit. Yep. Hold. Yes. 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 One more. Yes. Yeah. I kind of want like, what if you do like, I don't know why I'm thinking that, or maybe your left one.
Like, come
or
up.
like, I was thinking that too, like, yeah, with the leg, yeah, bet, try that out. One of these legs are short, I made them short, I forgot which one I made short, but I did it on purpose so that way, like, if it did fall when it was up there, it was fine. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have her kind of hanging off, like, just like so. Yeah, I'm gonna come on this side and catch this angle. Let's see, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's actually really hard. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, hold it, 3, 2, 1. High angle, because you guys know I love my bird's eye views. I love my bird's eye views. Hold it, yep. Yes, there we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and move to the last spot. I think I see some stairs over here. We're gonna try to play with those stairs and see what we can get. Let's do it. All right, you guys, we just found this little spot right here. There's a lot of kind of play with. There's a lot kind of going on. We're just gonna kind of play around here. I like these different colors. They kind of complement her, but don't at the exact same time. So I'm gonna just play with this. There's like a little like ledge kind of like type thing going on back there. If you guys could see what's back there. Yeah, right, exactly. So I'm sending you guys over here so you guys can get like a nice little angle. Make sure the audio is good and stuff. Checking that. Audio, check, good. So audio's doing good. We're gonna go ahead and take a few shots. I like you right here, yeah. Let me just play around right here, let me see. Yeah, I'd say middle, yeah. I don't want you holding anything like a prop yet. Yeah, like hold it just yourself, yeah, there we go. It's very easy for them to like kind of like grasp on other things and like grab things because it makes them more comfortable. So like try to like, you know, play around with this so that way they don't have to like, you know, always grab different things, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. There we go, let me see. Let me go hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that light coming in. It's peaking. Hard. Hold it. Now I got the big pole inside of it, you guys, like adding like foreground, middle ground, background. Yeah. Now like I kinda want you to like use this as a prop.
I was gonna lean on that edge and
that's what I was thinking. That's literally what I was thinking, but I don't know.
I'll do it.
Alright, but let's do it. Oh yeah. Y'all see that right there? The girl crazy as hell. 3, 2, 1. I'm staying at super wide millimeters, y'all. Do the other arm. Yeah. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Hard. Don't move. There we go. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. Hold it. BVE Draco! There we go. Yes! No one's getting this shot ever in their life. I don't give a fuck. Draco, record me from afar. Here. There you go. Let's see. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. There we go. Oh, this is hard. Bro, no one's getting this shot. No one's getting this shot. Hold it, hold it. So as the lighting is changing, you guys, I have to consistently change my ISO. So I'm changing my ISO, going back down to 160 right now, playing around with it like that too. Let's see, let's see. Let me see, yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. And then if you could do 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard. Do one where like, you got one foot on here and then the other foot's like hanging out, but you're holding onto the pole. Like that, yeah. Don't hold on, don't pull your brake. There you go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, 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 there you go. Yes, yes. Yes, hold it, hold it. 3, 2, and back. Woo! Yeah! Alright, you guys. Thank you guys again for watching, man. It was a whole lot of gas. Nice little quick little behind the scenes, nice little fun with Storm. We got a lot more cooking, man. We got a lot more cooking. What are some things that they could possibly be seeing next from us?
A lot more skirts and a lot more outdoorsy girly vibes.
Outdoorsy girly vibes, you know what I'm saying? We've been doing a lot of like thuggish, swaggish, tomboyish, streetwearish. But we about to get into our baddie era. We about to get into our baddie era.
A little cutie era.
Yeah. But yeah, man, love you guys. Make sure to share with a photographer, videographer, or a model that can find this video as inspirational or helpful. Until next time.
Taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich T, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her. Drop in, it went by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line, I told my brother, bring it in.